Name this one application as RatingBar and then choose your minimum API level and click on finish. Go to your activity main.xml file and switch to text view here and delete this one, default text view attribute. Change here constraint layout to linear layout first. And add an orientation to linear layout. Add a RatingBar component here. Width to match parent and height to wrap content here. Assign an ID to it and then add a button here. Assign an ID to the button. Display toast. Okay. And add a text attribute to the button. And let me preview this one in design window. Okay, seems good. And now it's time to work with activity file. RatingBar and then we don't need to import the button here. At last we will define a function and then go over XML file and then adding on click attribute to the button. Here I will be defining a public function. Let me initialize this one first. RatingBar equals to okay, and here it alt enter. And here we will simply create a toast in order to display the value of RatingBar. For this purpose I have to use first of all I will define a string here. Value get rating here, create a toast, get application context and then value and apply show method here. Okay, and now move over activity main.xml and add an on click attribute to button. now it's time to test this one on emulator, how it's working. Let me test display rating 2.0 and again test this one. Yeah, it's working. Thanks for watching this tutorial, guys. Have a nice day and happy coding.